Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a streaming-friendly VPN and the Prime app on your device. Install and open the VPN now, then sign in. Choose a server in the country with the Prime catalog you want. This changes your IP address to appear local. Once connected, make sure the VPN shows a stable, low-latency connection. Don't switch servers repeatedly. Pick one and test playback. This gets you straight into the streaming step without wasted setup time. Once you've connected the VPN, clear Prime's cache or browser cookies so the service detects your new IP. Then, adjust VPN settings. Enable kill switch to prevent leaks and consider split tunneling to route only Prime traffic through the VPN for performance. Now open Prime Video and play a short clip. Watch for resolution, buffering, and whether the catalog reflects the chosen country. If playback stutters, switch to a nearby server or a designated streaming server, then retest. Finish by locking in your working server and saving settings for consistent access. If Prime blocks content, switch servers or use a VPN's streaming-optimized option because providers rotate IP pools. Make sure both the VPN app and Prime are updated, then reboot the device and reconnect to eliminate stray caches. If problems continue, capture error messages and contact your VPN's support with logs. This helps them identify blacklisted IPs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.